Neuroscience major at UNE is an interdisciplinary major. It brings together psychology, biology, some philosophy, some computational science, obviously some chemistry. It really is at the nexus of a number of disciplines, asking questions about the brain and nervous system.
The neuroscience program at UNE is very unique because it was crafted intentionally to combine biology and psychology in a way that a lot of programs don't. You learn a lot about the biology that's happening in the brain and how that affects our behavior and the way that we're perceiving the world.
UNE is so unique because we give undergraduate students access to the type of research that normally you wouldn't be able to experience or have access to until you're a graduate student, postdoctoral fellow, even beyond.
If you're interested in studying neuroscience, UNE is definitely the place to do it. We have so many incredible research facilities. The professors here are so welcoming and they want to teach you everything that they can.
We are an incredible place to live, and this allows us to attract an incredibly high caliber of faculty, working one-on-one with you, doing what they love to do, teach, mentor, and research, really in an incredible setting.
You don't only have the undergraduate college here, you also have medical school faculty as well. And the medical school faculty also love to take in those undergraduate students, bring them into their labs, and give them essentially a graduate student-like experience and training that you normally wouldn't get as an undergraduate student.
One of the things that makes neuroscience unique at UNE is our Center for Excellence in the Neurosciences. And this is a center that brings together faculty and labs from across the university. We have medical school faculty, we have College of Arts and Science faculty, College of Health Professions faculty. We're all working together to solve some of neuroscience's biggest problems. And what's exciting for students at UNE is they have access to all of those resources, even at the undergraduate level. So we have undergraduate students who are designing, leading, and presenting research done in medical school labs right here on campus in their freshman, sophomore, junior years. It's really impressive.